Good Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt, looking live now just a couple minutes after 9 o'clock on this Tuesday morning. This is South Broadway, the last day of 2019. We have almost 3 inches of fresh snow on the ground right now here in Rochester. And of course, we're still dealing with the snow removal, and the wind has been blowing the snow all over the place. So snow removal hasn't been as easy a task, I think, as we would prefer. And it's been kind of a messy situation. Yesterday's snow going on pretty much all day long. Not a huge rapid buildup of snow, but just a slow progressive just mess that they kept leaving behind. So we had that all day on Monday. Today, quieter in that it's drier, but still those winds are pretty brutal and may cause a little bit of blowing snow here in the very short term. Right now, as we start this Tuesday, looking at some of the totals around the area, La Crosse at the Weather Service office, 4.6 inches. Now, most of southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, the range is about 1 to 3 inches. Elgin had a little more, 3.4 inches, but Lake City had 3 inches. Rochester officially at the airport, 2.8 inches. Austin, little more than an inch. Mound Prairie in Fillmore County, 2.2. And Mabel had 2.5 inches. Looking now live at a gray picture, hoping for some sun. I think that comes up this afternoon. Right now, overcast and blustery. Those winds really make it feel a lot less comfortable than you might otherwise see it at 20 degrees. 19 right now in Rochester. It's 22 in Mason City, 23 in Winona. Factor in those winds, 4 is the way it feels. Winds 18 miles per hour, still that raw breeze. At times gusting a little higher. Here are the current gusts around the area. 23 miles per hour in Austin, 26 in Fairmont, 23 Mason City. Getting better. A few hours ago, we were still seeing 27, 28 mile per hour gusts. Through midnight, we still had some 30 mile per hour gusts, 35 miles per hour. But it has gotten better and will continue to get better, certainly by the end of this morning. But afternoon, still at the very best, the winds 12, 13, 14 miles per hour. That's going to keep that wind chill right where it is right now. Temperatures are not going to move up much, even with the addition of some sunshine, I think, for the second half of the day. But 4 is the wind chill in Rochester, Winona 12. Mason City 8. Day planner today, clouds. Then there's the sunshine. Highs around 24 today. Will drop back into the teens by this evening and stay there through the night. Clouds have taken over and they continue to dominate the area. But there goes a storm system to the east. Snow around Detroit, Toronto, Ottawa, Canada. For us, just clouds and cold wind. But there is a chance for some afternoon sunshine. Then tomorrow with some sun, a southwest breeze. Possibility of bouncing back nicely back for the first day of 2020, maybe in the mid-30s and close to 40 by the time we get to Thursday. The weekend maybe not quite as warm as that. Chance maybe a little bit of snow Friday, very small chance of that. And a better chance maybe on Sunday. But temperatures right now across the region, 19 in Rochester. Warmer southward, Des Moines 30. It's 34 in St. Louis, but north of us, really no Arctic air. 0 in Fargo, 6 International Falls. You saw the cold air blowing into those northwest winds, but we're not really going to drop that far. We're going to drop the single digits, teens, and then level off and see those temperatures actually bounce back nicely tomorrow between storm systems today. High pressure brings a quieter, sunnier afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy, a little bit of southwest breeze. We'll see slightly warmer air coming in. That's going to help temperatures kind of level off and then climb late tomorrow with a little sun through majority of the time. Look for daytime temperatures tomorrow in the mid and maybe upper 30s in a few spots. System grazes us to the north on Wednesday into Thursday. Still some warmth around, not as much sun on Thursday. Still managed to see some 30s. Behind that system, a little energy to the west. There's that snow in the Dakotas that comes in, kind of grazes the area on Friday with some brisk winds and temperatures only around the freezing mark. And then we'll get a break Saturday before that next minor system brings us a slight chance of snow on Sunday. But 24 today in Rochester, 25 Mason City, 21 in Owatonna. Some afternoon sunshine, blustery and cold, gray skies, raw northwest winds. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, a low of 15. And tomorrow, there's that chilly sunshine, kind of a brisk southwest breeze up to 20 miles per hour. 34, the expected high for the first day of 2020. There it is in the 7-day forecast. New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, quiet. Some cold sunshine. Going into Friday, there's a chance for some very light snow. Saturday, maybe a little coating. At this point, that system offers maybe a chance of accumulation, but not necessarily a lot of snow out of that at this point. Not even an inch or more, really. Going into next week, it does look like things remain January-like. Temperatures in the 20s with occasional sunshine. In the meantime, and today, be safe on the roads. Of course, today is also New Year's Eve. be safe when you're celebrating tonight, and you know, take it easy and stay home if you can. It'll be a quiet night, so if you're heading out, yeah, you'll have good weather for that. But have a safe New Year's Eve and a safe New Year's Day. Tomorrow looks pretty quiet as well. Have a great day, everybody.